What's up, guys? It's finally starting to feel like winter here. Tomorrow we're gonna get a really big snowstorm, and I'm happy for that. But as you can see, I got the snowblower out, trying to get it started, get it warmed up, check to see if it's working good, see if it needs a tune-up or anything, and get ready for tomorrow. Cold start hasn't been started since last February, so I had to put electric start on because pulling it ain't starting. I tried. All right, so electric starts in. Thing, choke. Prime it a little bit. Maybe should start up. Go! Ah, it shouts. Okay, I gotta keep it in choke. Just want to run. Running. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Come back for tomorrow. I'll have a vlog up about the stove and the fun begins. Hasn't been started for 6 months and you can always almost a year. You can always depend on your craftsman. Alright guys, subscribe and like. I'll let it run for a little bit and then I'll shut it off and put it back in the garage. Get all the shovel salt out, blah blah blah. I sound like a news reporter. Peace out, Can't Live the Life, signing off.